This is Max Solutions. Here is a quick fixer-upper on how to tighten up a few loose screws you may find on your 3D printer. If your hot end appears loose or shaky, the best way to tighten it would be by adjusting the eccentric nut at the bottom as shown in the video. Essentially, you are moving the V-slot wheel closer to the aluminum's extrusion. Once it is tight, you will do this for the bed as well by adjusting the eccentric knot underneath the bed, which is usually found on the right-hand side. If your belt becomes loose for any reason, fear not. However, this can lead to skips and layer shifting in your 3D print. We don't want that. To fix this, simply push the metal bar forward and tighten the screws on both sides. If your spring underneath your bed are completely compressed or your nozzle is digging into the bed, fix this by moving the limit switch further up by adjusting the two side screws and retightening them in the position you deem fit, as seen in this video. It is recommended that once you adjust the limit switch, you also re-level your bed. To tighten the Xaxis belt, you loosen the two screws shown here, push the entire pulley assembly outwards, and retighten the screws. This will ensure that you don't see any layer shifting in your Xaxis. Thank you very much for watching this video.